Let's get straight to it. You've probably heard about Acorns, right? That investing app promising to grow your money while you sip your coffee. It sounds great, but there's a catch. They want your social security number, SSN. And that's a big deal. So, can you trust them with it? Is it safe to hand over your financial lifeline to an app? Let's break it down. First off, why do they need your SSN? Well, the financial world is a strict place. To invest in stocks, bonds, or any other securities, you need an account with a brokerage. Acorns is essentially your digital broker. And to open a brokerage account, the government requires your SSN. It's for tax purposes, mainly. Every time you buy or sell, Uncle Sam wants a piece of the action. Now, here's the thing, sharing your SSN is a serious step. It's like giving someone the keys to your financial kingdom. You want to be sure they're trustworthy. So, is Acorns? Let's talk security. Acorns, like most financial institutions, claims to have top-notch security measures. Encryption, firewalls, the whole shebang. But let's be real, no system is completely impenetrable. Hacks happen. Data breaches occur. It's a risk you have to weigh. Another thing to consider is privacy. Acorns collects a lot of data about you, your spending habits, income, and now, your SSN. What do they do with this information? Do they sell it? Share it? These are questions you need to ask. And then there's the matter of control. Once you hand over your SSN, you're essentially giving Acorns the power to manage your money. You're trusting them to make wise investment decisions. Are you comfortable with that? So, what's the verdict? Can you give your SSN to Acorns? Well, that's a decision only you can make. There's no easy answer. It depends on your comfort level with risk, your trust in Acorns, and your overall financial goals. If you do decide to take the plunge, there are some steps you can take to protect yourself. For starters, make sure you're using a strong, unique password for your Acorns account. Enable two-factor authentication if possible. Keep an eye on your credit report for any suspicious activity. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider spreading your investments across different platforms. Ultimately, the decision to share your SSN is a personal one. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and trust your gut. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.